Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 9th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. And this one will be number 9873. Before starting, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones: 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 ones, so let's start O's. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so let's start ones. Then we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. And no, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, and 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check: 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.